Please secure all hats, glasses, wallets, keys, and other loose articles and step carefully inside the boat. Please sit upright and hold on tight.
뒤로 써 뒤로. 이게 다크라이드 요소가.
Now, we're hearing from the other vessels that the seas are rough down there, so hang on tight
캐리건 냄새.
and prepare to get wet.
Oh man, I'm already wet. I'm already wet, man. Aquatica. Tornado wave. Yeah.
Wave 60.
All right, here comes the first drop. You guys get ready. Get ready to soak.
At the bottom of the hill.
Woohoo! Here we go. Hands up. Hands up. Here we go. Holy crap! Holy! Oh my God! Oh,
This is like silk. Oh no.
oh man.
Oh no.
Oh man. That's something like 30 meter dropper or something.
So good.
Okay, here comes the second drop. Get ready to be soaked. No! Oh! Oh yeah! Oh fuck it! I don't know what I'm saying, but shit, I'm completely soaked. God damn. Look at me. Wow. you see that? Wow, it's more than like 45 degrees. Woo! No, there's a different kind of drop. All right, here it comes. Here comes the. Here comes the next drop. Oh, God! Holy guacamole! Crap!
Wow.
Oh! Woo!
My goodness, man. Wow, this is nice. Wow. All right. Okay.